Greetings from Shiba Inu Coin, gentlemen. By 2025, what will 20 million Shiba Inu coins be worth? The long-awaited Shibarium is currently nearing completion. The Shiba Inu team recently reported that the Layer 2 blockchain solution testnet had been deployed, and the cryptocurrency community was enthusiastic about it. The cost of Shib began to increase as soon as it was announced that the Shibarium testnet will go live. One of the factors contributing to the coin's success is the rising demand for it as more investors purchase Shiba Inu in anticipation of the anticipated boom. Shibarium has been established and developed to handle the significant issue of Shiba Inu relying on the Ethereum blockchain. The blockchain solution will power the Shiba Inu ecosystem and allow developers to build on it after the real launch of this product. As a result, it is a crucial utility that continues to drive Shiba Inu currency popularity. How much would 20 million Shiba Inu coins be worth in 2025 is the topic of this video. To see our most recent articles on Shiba Inus, pricing forecasts, and expert analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up share buttons and subscribe to the channel on YouTube. Let's start the video now without further ado. On January 17th, the cost of a Shiba Inu coin increased by 15.2% over the previous day and by 31.2% over the previous 7 days. Gecko by market capitalization, Shib is presently the 13th largest digital asset, but its price of 20 cents has had one of the greatest days among the top 100 cryptocurrencies. Additionally, the 24-hour trading volume for Memecoin has increased by almost 2,000%. With Binance and Coinbase handling the majority of these trades. Altcoins are enjoying significant rallies following those of the market leaders, as has frequently happened in previous market cycles. Perhaps as a result of traders putting their earnings from large-size assets back into smaller ones, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. According to data from CryptoQuant, on January 10th alone, over 14 trillion Shib tokens were deposited on exchanges, significantly increasing the amount of Shib tokens being transferred to them. The price increase today would imply that holdings might be opened as derivative positions as opposed to being sold on the spot market. The current Shib price actions, however, might become more volatile if long bets start to liquidate if they are based in the futures market. The Shiba Inu team revealed earlier this week that it is creating Shibarium, a Layer 2 network that would run on top of Ethereum. The company acknowledged that some people view Shibarium as a tool for pricing manipulation in its blog post announcing the idea. But it is not, and never has been, the project's main objective. Instead, the team contends that its new Layer 2 network would reduce expenses and boost transaction speeds for the ecosystem's currencies. Throughout January, the Shiba Inu price had an impressive surge. However, as longer time frames may not exhibit the perfect bullish indications, prudence may still be advised. Investors are paying close attention to the Shiba Inu price as the month's increase in volatility has given day traders numerous winning opportunities as the market experiences a brief lull. The technical indicators are positive, but Julie provides reasons to doubt the long-term viability of the rally. Shiba Inu is currently trading at Zero Relative Strength Index, RSI, which on the daily time frame displays an odd circumstance. RSI is an indicator used to evaluate trend potential by comparing and contrasting past pivot points. Unquestionably optimistic, the indicators broke overbought conditions above the 70 mark during the most recent surge. Unfortunately, the increase had little effect on the weekly RSI. The spike displays a hidden bearish divergence and is still in the neutral zone. This might be a subliminal signal that the market's early bulls are paddling towards a waterfall that could see liquidation in the upcoming weeks. If so, the most recent origin point at $0.0800 might be overcome, which would result in a 25% drop in Shib price from the current one. Furthermore, the smart money may be defining the Shib's future rising potential at the liquidity level above the hidden bearish divergence. On January 15th, 2023, Shiba Inu's market value would have increased by 75% if there had been a breach at $0.01516, invalidating the bearish thesis and triggering a rebound toward the August high at $0.1793. Many people in the comment thread gave Shiba Inu high marks and occasionally even preferred it to Dogecoin, the original meme token. Shib, which was initially introduced as a joke on Bitcoin in 2013, is still successfully rising upward and the market is not showing any symptoms of reversing. But the primary cause of such an unexpected upward movement is probably related to a number of Shibarium upgrades and listings on various significant cryptocurrency exchanges. Shiba Inu has also been exhibiting signs of a breakout because it has been consolidating for more than 4 days at the 200-day moving average, which would have been an accumulation phase before to the breakout we saw today. David Gokhshtein, however, solely owns Doge and Shiba Inu. According to his earlier tweets, the burning volume would certainly continue to rise if the market's current price momentum holds. Early in December, the San Francisco-based exchange's subsidiary in Japan, OKCoin Japan, added support for the second-largest memecoin by market capitalization value. The market should be projected to remain gloomy, according to the most recent Shiba Inu coin news. It can take some time for the sector to recover from this tendency. While some analysts believe a severe crypto winter is just around the corner, others believe better days are just around the bend. Investors could see the price rise over the $0.269 objective if efforts like DAO, Shiba, Endgame, and NFTs continue to gain momentum. Additionally, normal buying and selling pressures could drive the price to $85. Last but not least, downward tendencies can keep the price at 20 cents. Retail and luxury brands' expanding popularity may pave the road for widespread acclaim and an influx of affluent clients. The increase in influence is apparent in stages as Wales currently holds the most share, followed by investors and retail. Despite this, the amount helped by shops has been steadily increasing. As a result, the price of Shib could reach $0.00361 with an increase in buy orders. However, Shib's depleting position and a lack of volume might bring the price as low as $0.305. Based on the bullish and bearish targets, $0.025 may serve as the average price's base. Shib is anticipated to flourish over time if the developer's imaginative innovations come to fruition and if Shib establishes itself as a major participant in the metaverse. The Shib might cost $47 at landing. Shib may trade at an average price of $0.377 if the market is driven by customary purchasing and selling pressures. On the downside, FUD and unfavorable attitudes may drive down the price to $0.0318 if investors are unable to keep up with the digital assets' liquidity on exchanges. To emphasize, the Shiba Inu price projection has fallen by nearly 87% from its ADH of $0.85. Coin claims to PDS developed a Shiba Inu price prediction, nonetheless. By the end of 2023, Shiba Inu might reach realistic highs of $0.25. The price could enter a bearish hook and bottom out at $0.112 if the meme coin succumbs to bearish trends driven by large liquidations. The network then recruited the next token, dubbed Leash Kickstarting, after Shib. The network immediately changed into a fungible form as a rebase token. The keys were burned, much like the last token, and there is currently a fixed amount of 100,000 tokens available. According to the network, everyone who maintains the currency's liquidity would receive additional benefits. The network, which is a developing product on the market, is very safe because Ethereum runs it. We may anticipate Shiba Inu to receive some benefits from Ethereum's decision to migrate from the POW to the POS consensus mechanism. A number of prestigious exchanges, including Coinbase Pro, Binance Qcoin, WazirX, India, and Uniswap, among others, list the altcoin. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and channel buttons.